My family, they're all in the health profession. My dad a physician, my mom a dentist. My siblings are all in that profession. I was always very curious. I would be the one that would get in trouble when my parents went to some friends because I would be opening drawers just to know, try and understand or know what was in there that I couldn't see otherwise. And I guess maybe that's what got me into science. I don't know, I'm just curious. I'm Lehner. I'm a faculty at Perimeter Institute. My field of research is gravity, and currently I'm using all possible signals to learn about the universe. We learn about our universe by detecting all possible messengers that we get. So traditionally, we've been using telescopes to learn about the electromagnetic spectra of events and sources distributed in the universe. But we also have been able to use neutrinos and more recently gravitational waves. And the combined information that all these messengers tell us give us an in-depth look at our universe, and then try and ponder new questions and resolve all enigmas. We're only just beginning to be able to detect them. The first detection was just 9 years ago. Oh, that was an amazing day. I mean, it was almost to the day of 100th anniversary of the Einstein theory of relativity coming and seeing first light. There was tons of technological advances that had to be achieved to be able to detect these waveforms. And at the same time, the first signal gave us the first glimpse of the detailed encounter of two black holes, objects that are still very enigmatic today. And so that very first detection was like, I don't know, a kid just being born. It's like thinking everything is possible from now on, as far as trying to use this thing that we have dreamt for a very long time that we will be able to detect. Now it's a reality. Let's get busy. I don't exaggerate when I say in physics this is one of the most exciting fields to get into, because everything is happening. As I came to Perimeter, I encountered this bustling institute with lots of activities, people going back and forth, discussing very openly. I found the place that was quite exciting because there were no typical silos in between areas. I got to interact with many people. Of course, another day that stands out is the day where the faculty got together to cook for everyone else in the building. It was an interesting experience, getting to be in an industrial kitchen with lots of mishaps, but ultimately we were able to feed everyone and no one got sick. What do I do for fun? So I like to jog. I do that often. But recently what I also picked up is to fly planes. So I get to test our physical principles firsthand. It's lots of fun. I always wanted to fly. I think ever since I was a kid, I was very curious and also really wanted to go up. I mean, I think the birds have a privilege that they get to feel the three-dimensional nature of the spatial dimensions, and we don't. And once you get in the plane and you're the one, I mean, pulling on the yoke or moving to the left or to the right, and how that changes the dynamics, I don't know, it's a very unique experience. Perimeter challenges, I think, every member, and especially faculty, to think of the Institute as a place where growing has not stopped. It's the desire to learn, it's the thrill to be working with kind minds that are also embracing this challenge to ask the most perhaps arrogant questions that we can ask, but attack them in the most humble ways, which we know we're not going to be able to solve tomorrow, where we know that we may just be able to put the next brick in this wall that we need to all build to eventually get to where we want to get. I think that's what keeps us going.